when I give my hand already, my women and all women have been here for so long. So there is no hair, and we may have it well. And wherever you do well, just so we go my straight to folk. And we get more customers already. So we need more hands. So in that case, we need to train other people. So because of this, a madam of a new apprentice, they for those people, a madam collecting agreement or one because it's here we or say madam or agreement in a carry biscuit no so madam cover the go while we do but the important thing is that these two people they will go and get come to know. They not say na go one you to because they will be any other they about what one even and they be say I mean no say no cast no na guess ni keka no ye madam Julian ko e ma no e beso no so you never na re where ko wa we why I don't want nonsense.
Senior girl only more ya wo body your mana so more ya no soft owo ko no raw abi mi ma bi aki o
beg acknowledge Sandra what down here go just listen to yourself
me tana
me tema go what we no bi no whatsapp again no mi aki o madam o gbe ni ade do we na bi tan we ni wo aki yan wa soon
senior girl eke me na ka we na abe jino maki o bi me da be se ba be aki mo
Sandra ha make one when I business me atop 2020 soon I want a senior girl the store now this I carry put to remember that because you own is getting too much to store now
with due respect senior girl every boy ni assistant na you work or do have from your coming ya open tin ya gbe o ro da idin egbe wa restore na gbe o no din o tin ya gbe o good
we have my way more give you go ahead do I think you mo do girl I'm going to girl mo bi an o ga ibo gbe do black
yeah you do restore na
why you restore na you the other no na I go when you
ya gbe o
yeah you me ma we ha wa ge akojo we gi akare
yeah wa senior girl gi o npe
anyway I've already made my points ewu ni madam gi me e pass it
madam
akwe yen fa Re so what yes dem wa ewe we store na mare
be na bi ya wa ji
mama ji o ti be na wa go pa to wa go ji wa
mama di mama come on bi ya ji o ya wo dey come on etun wa wo mi na wa we because yeah we engagement me na
engagement mama engagement
wow congratulations
mama don't worry where my last yes so ni a yin yo ho gbe kan no
mama trust him man trust wa what the way mama lawo I told be engagement ring me oh hin ade no dey record na ba boki mu that is me be ne record no even in the day after where are we woman in love you no do engagement your body as pe iya dada kian
o we love engagement you mama ji get
mama ma fi for
ya what do they na say ya say na de go ni ire na o e to we no ma gba di ni wa ife re wa to mama ki ma de so na
I told you I'm coming.
Yeah, of course, now you did. That is why I'm home waiting for you.
I'm back again to Europe.
Sit down.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, you care for anything?
No.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
How is everybody back home?
They are fine. They are doing well. Thank you. And how's your family, your kids, your husband?
Yeah, they are fine. We thank God.
That's your husband?
Yeah, it's at work.
Oh, it takes me everywhere, Daddy.
Yeah, but you only come at the wrong time now. You know now, Europe, they need to work. Understand? Maybe when next you come in the weekends, it's always at home in the weekend. And he himself also say that you always come on the wrong time.
So I'm back again. I hope my money this time, no story, everything is well prepared and ready.
I hope so. I hope so.
If me want to give me a little bit,
I have so. Now.
Oh, yeah, will be ready when you have where was Baran.
Man, where worry? No, not just panic.
Now, you promised me last time he and my woman, so when you want to come on,
no problem. No problem. Okay. Our business.
Business is okay. We thank God.
Yeah.
My salon is booming, so yeah.
You look good anyway. You look good.
Thank you.
You look good.
Thank you.
Yeah. You know this human hair of a thing. You don't get. Yeah. I know say it's difficult to draw money, but you see, okay in business.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is.
It's a nice business.
Yes.
This your guy where they fly you up and to back and front so Nigeria every year so. Is it a Nigerian man?
It's an African man.
Really?
Nice. Why do you want to know?
No, I'm just asking because you're not tourist now. They fly Nigeria, say they fly Europe, like say
That is
go
life.
from Cotonou to Abuja. That is nice.
Thank you. Thank you. So that is how I can tell you right now.
No, I don't want. No, really, I don't really want to know. I don't want to know much. No, I don't want to know. I don't want to know much about him. I just want to know if he's in Nigeria.
He's a Nigerian, he's an African.
Yeah, that is just fun. It's okay.
Thank you.
I like that he's taking care of you.
Because
it's not easy.
No.
Yeah, I can see it. You're welcome. So how long you are here for now?
I don't know. I can't tell. Depends when I'm ready. Then I see things out.
Okay, now we can rush you because we're for no rush.
A business
You know,
woman.
I promise to take you out this time around when you
No,
come.
you will. Definitely you will. You promise.
When are you coming then?
I will let you know.
Please, do let me know.
Yeah, I will let you know.
Not just coming that you are coming.
No.
I need to,
I know.
create a time for you and everything.
I know you are busy. You have kids. You have your husband. So I will call you, and then we make a day for that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I just want to come and tell you that I'm a Euro, and please, my money.
No problem. That one.
This time around, I don't want.
It will be okay.
It
will be okay. The money issue, everything is okay.
Because the last time you
do it for me that you are coming.
Hey, no matter so what.
Since you inform me that you are coming, no problem about that. I will
so me ko Europe ni ani go me to. So agbeme ikepa.
Don't fight with them. Make sure that you don't fight. Just talk with your mouth, please.
Okay.
Okay then.
Oma, you say. Oh, what? You tell mama.
Okay.
Let's go ready.
I will. I will, no problem. Have fun, eh?
Yeah,
I will call you on. I think you have my number here.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
I beg you, stop it nonsense. You need to worry about what the doctor do one year. They stone and sell no look here. I'm going back to winner. You can wire over quit at your name. And secondly, the blue this was your fine, but everybody you went, I'm walk back there, where them are going on. Yeah, gosh. Yes?
Oh, them are like we are. We might know it can be what, and you only have one where.
going one little bit and more bit take me.
Ah, we were too I want back out get to them and have to do you one, eh?
Emmanuel Bonugo. The way I see attachment to me. That good attachment to the customer on your order. Mama. I might not do me well.
Collect again, madam. We are in madam, we have wedding.
I might not be so, you know, do me well.
Okay, mommy.
Very fine.
Why girlfriend why I go for us who's what? Sandra, I will be on.
Me myself, I know they understand all this kind of thing. I know they understand though. Wait, see you people, the hair when we say you are do for me. If person didn't do yard, now you go say person didn't do yard. Person do yard, now you are throwing to a problem in me. Wait, so look at the head when we say you are do for me. You didn't do it well. Why do you mean this now?
What will be your problem? Why it be anywhere where you just go now trouble just the smell follow you. Now you sabi talk pass.
Wait, you see toast me.
If you
Wait, so see when we say you are do for me, didn't fool. You tell me that they not do for you. You tell me say make I buy 3 attachment. I come and buy 3 attachment. This 3 attachment is what you put in my head. So this is what in my head and you read 3 attachment.
No, the attachment, they chopper.
If they stop it,
they chopper.
I know
if you have your head, be they can do it for you.
It has your head.
No,
it has your head. It has your head. What you are doing? See,
your head first start.
No, you cannot rubbish this one.
See, your kind of man go for every long Christmas. I mean, kind of one, kind of
why this thing you are doing? You go give me my money. You go give me my money.
How much they do your do? That's not a year one.
When you back, don't do it. I will be banana. Most of the money is at the Japo de Mon. Young boy.
Who is this one? Who is in the left side? You so cunning. Your head is correct. You smart. You know me. What the meaning of this now? Why you are dressed like what I don't know? What kind of nonsense is that? What the meaning of this now? Fine boy like you not white on white. Put the hanger in your neck. You don't see your man so we say I do down. Make I go and do down. You come here and talk to me. Why should I come my head? Why should I come and say that to me? He's not what they are doing. He's not what they are doing. What is this now?
Come on, this one when I bet you do Yahoo.
Who is this one? They're not writing for your forehead. See the hand when you are putting your neck. This one is the game. See this one when you are putting your neck. Why this one? What kind of nonsense is this? What's wrong with this? See, come on and give me this one in Yoruba. Oh, I know what to be. Come on for this.
I come go.
I know they come up here.
I come.
I don't mind.
You know the problem when you get, eh? I bet enjoy you well. But now, Ojina me who are you no longer play ya killing. Let us say also I not connect now, eh? How much I come the blow before me. So now you show the laugh.
It's the whole problem with body.
Move now. Because now I try to say how far where I could go the lane Yahoo before. I don't learn her for almost 40 years. For me to blow, all my charger they blow with me. Now, for a sound now, who can go tell that girl?
People follow you.
Who can go tell that girl say I fell in your way?
Wait, see, which guy you for to be that one?
I just tired.
You don't for your forehead. So if I also say don't work for me.
Okay, no, tell her, bitch.
You're not your forehead. So if I also say don't work for me. And say you're
She went behind my back, trying to find out who David was. Really? Really, Nigeria? Eh? Oh my God. How could she? I thought she was my friend. Eh? And I don't like this at all. I don't like discussing my personal issue with anybody. I don't like it. And now since then, she won't stop calling, sending text message. What was she expecting? She thinks, oh, I'm going to welcome her with my full arms. No. She really upset me by bringing that question up. Oh my God. So now what do I gossip over here? Eh? She's trying to quench my happiness. Of course now. I can't like her. I travel really to tell me. You to trust me. Why do me smile? It's not a true smile. I want her. So here girl me wa gossip here in Europe. Huh? Here wa team ne ogian. Unbelievable. Hey, eh? How they call you na? Be ya wa go. Me to stay your wine and oh, essay na hina. Hello my dear essay. I'm here, my dear. How are you? How are the guests? And also David, the newcomer. Sarah. Okay. Stop. Maybe you lao. The man no soon last time when they go soon we are so I will make sure where everything is well taken care of. Any no, Mama, you will take care of everything. You will take care of everything. That's what I had last time as well. By the time I went back home, the story was different. No. Ima only boy again because he got home this time around. It's gonna be very tough. Anyway, when my mom do a check on you guys, I make it. I don't know what make it now go top. Yes. Okay then. Me and your mom. Okay. Bye. Bye. Anyway, the man when don't drop him in my any neck with anyone give me what fear but my game no he. Me do not myself. You know nothing. She's killing me. What? Is she crazy or what? This lady must show on Sasha. Or mind the reason I'm me. No, she's kidding. If you are sleeping, you are dreaming, wake up from that your dream. I've made ghetto since last year. He used the name of Gualo. Is it not the same hair, no? You have snappy picture of your Facebook, Instagram, and that she wants to return it. She cannot afford it to afford the egg. Ah, Jesus. Ooh. No. Nobody play this type of silly joke with me. Wow. No. This is nothing. This is nothing. Oh, me. So you have money and money after near the fair of man. You made the toast since almost a year. And then what return the time away, man, you don't think you can afford it. You are crazy. Oh, Zuo. Man, what about the carry over Wally? What's the man to boy you boy do you come? One more. Any Joanna, If you know you cannot afford something, don't go and buy it. Buy what you can afford. No wonder not getting me so you do you man head. Idiot. What does it no using it? Oh no. She will pay. Yeah, we bear when I'm here mugie. Imanami agota phone wasa. Also, my work bad work your boy when once you want to no comment the last year the movement and matter. Wow, why my woman to read us when you have a swore one anya? It's all lion here be. Huh? I went a bit to let him hear so sad telling me get here. Eh? It never be my bag more. Jesus Christ. You have me who wow, money go telling me. I get it there when your man ain't able or devil boy say I will go my watch or abi. No. If you know you don't have money, don't purchase anything you cannot afford. Nobody is going to kill you. Eh? Ah! Wow, these people. Eh? Imagine, you bought human hair from somebody. Almost a year. Now you are returning it that, oh, sorry, you cannot afford it. After using it. Using it. Eh? Yeah, feel about the coin your key. Eh, or you go and don't go me away. I'm where they are making mugie. You are Bible one in the morning. Okay, on my own, go here in my street in me. You can mind wherever you are tell where you're here. Oh, you go and make all Zua. Man, idiot. Me, I can't relax. Jeremy, I can't go to me. I find before can I get you get my dinner. Yeah, home. No, Jamuson. Yes.
Now I be on see mammy David and mammy na be ordinary a day check accurate. How I call it David is a mammy. I don't have for that ball. Meanwhile, it's only Megan one week in wow. I finish it.
Tete na, the more women is.
I trust you. Favor well.
So the middle of the affair was here.
We got fear to we now more game. The customer on your weekend or call when it's to the weekend. You might want to make my disappointed. Loud,
okay, so next week I'll wear
better.
Oh, but David, go and Lana. No, why are you see?
Isha, we better go with David. We go let David at dinner. How about David budget?
Hey, senior girl. If David is left for me, he can't pay my bills. Sleep as he may. Isha, you might want my budget, David or not. Sanja, I'm busy where Sanja, when you are.
Pedro ni store na ni na we dey for David ni get picture no mu me store don mu se. Ebe si wa ma dele for David we e ka dey wash am. Oh. You know where?
See your life.
So, Baba David o igbaluwe fun.
Aso.
Okay. Teti me igba be say dey naked picture me gere tere. You are where we open no beg.
You have an opportunity we are here. If we say there you go me say my YouTube na go be go.
So the sharpness brings out your beauty. Yes. That is why I love it.
Oh, I saw a dress, the motif dress. I picked it. It was so
You did?
Yeah. I'll show you when we are home.
Okay. Okay. You got to go to I trust you. I know I was also busy looking for things also. But I know that you know.
Yeah.
So I want to be the shopping now.
Yeah. No promising never tell me. My mother me.
I will have forgot. I told you. So now we are this time. I can't worry. I have to go. So this time around, you still need to look around. I don't know where can you go. I went to some place, so I went to their shopping mall. Not very nice.
You know, last time I came, it was so cold.
Yeah, I was there to go.
And then no, when I was like the road busy.
Oh, that time you came. It was. I think it was this afternoon. So my children was in school.
Yes,
I had to pick them up. Yeah, that is why I will have taken them.
It's okay. Now you've done your best. Now you took me out shopping. Yeah, what more can I ask
I'm
for?
glad I love you. I'm glad.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yesterday weather. Oh my God.
I know, it was beautiful.
Oh. I was really expecting you yesterday.
I went out. I was partying.
Like, come on. It's too hot for party.
The party is not much people there because you know.
Of course now, of course. They don't allow it anymore.
No,
they don't. Ask party minimum 20 people.
Yes, it was
not
enough of people there.
Yeah.
It was just minimum. Maybe 15, I think. It was 15 of us. But
I was in the beach yesterday. I said, well, look at you. Wait, where is this lady now?
If I knew, I should have come to your house.
I was at the beach yesterday.
Tell me about it.
You trust me now?
Oh my God.
It was so lovely.
Really?
The view.
Oh my God.
Come and see. There was a lot of people, but they were both stopping people not to come to the beach. Yeah.
Because when it's too crowded.
So I went to say, what did they happen here? So I went there during around 12 o'clock. Yeah, so then it was there was not much people. So but I heard later that we were stopping people. They were even blocking everybody not to drive in. Well, I missed the shower.
Well, when you I did whatever I did. I think I went.
But you have fun?
Yes, I did. I did.
Yeah, but you still going to come? You have nice weather on Thursday.
I don't know yet.
We can barbecue. Barbecue outside.
I'm not promising.
Now you know why. How was you? Why? Yeah, I'm here. Well, me and my goat me barbecue no way. Okay, my baby. We made your car. We made your own. Of course, on road. Yeah, I mean now, you trust. Only me. There's no. Where shall one of your care, France?
Okay.
We are there with the freezer. Okay. But why are you in case when you are coming, let me know. Okay. Yeah? So, let's go home.
Okay.
Let's go and drink. Who's going to go? Watch out, don't go and fall down.
I know.
You see what is going on in the truck now? That you have to wear mask.
So, yeah, I noticed.
Even the shopping mall.
I noticed.
Yeah.
I believe it, but everybody's wearing masks.
Yeah, it's to prevent our life, you know.
No, it's not a bad idea.
Yeah. It is. So what do you like to drink?
Anything.
Yeah?
Wine or water, orange juice.
Hot water.
So, okay for me.
Of course, you take a cold water.
Cold water.
Then look for chilly wine for you.
Thank you. May trust you were on you.
Of course, now. Of course. Oh my God. What about that shoe you bought?
Oh, I love it. The minute I pick it up, I thought, oh my God.
It's nice. It's nice in Nigeria's weather.
Yeah.
Nigeria, you know.
Yes.
Those are not bridge. Now bridge now get now walk up, walk down.
I love it.
When you are walking, you are bouncing.
Yeah, you're not your jeans. You roll your jeans.
Oh, I must say. Love, it's a nice one. I'm glad that you love it.
Yes, of course.
Okay, Sasha, you can come in.
much, Enki. I really enjoyed this shopping.
You are welcome. You are welcome. I'm glad that you like it, eh?
I do. Thank you so much.
You can sit.
Thank you so much.
What will I offer you? Water for now?
Cold water.
Cold one, eh?
Yes.
Okay, let me bring water for
Yeah.
you. Come. Oh, baby, my boy, Besha.
Hello.
Because it's too hot,
Why?
you know. They are where you look kind of as in the dinner. They are where you here.
Wait, I'm making a man now. Where's the mama?
Don't worry. I'm okay for now. Don't worry. Go. Belle. It was cold. Every weather here in Europe, you know, give you a thing. When it's cold weather, that is the winter. We also love it, eh? Summer, we love it. Summer will give us vitamin D. That's why we always enjoy. We don't play with this weather. The moment any little bit chance that is warm, oh yeah, you'll see everybody. You don't see that outside with their church.
Oh, wow.
You'll see everybody. Yes, so not be their fault. Once in a while. No. We have nice weather yesterday, today. Tomorrow is going to be rain. So when we are expecting the nice weather, we said on Thursday. Yeah, which is not Mama rain. So we just anytime Miami weather in my way. How everything? How your guy?
But thank you so much for this beautiful time we had today with shopping. I love everything.
No problem. I promise to take you to shopping. You know that I promise. So, look at what I pick.
Look at the shoe.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I love it.
Where you were testing it.
Sandra.
Coffee well now, like it now. Why I was in Nigeria and we are here with that we put in now. Look at this. I trust you. I trust you. All your guests in the shop. All your guests in the shop will be looking at you.
Yes, and those ones, oh my God. Another thing. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hey, my friend, my dear friend Chasha. No vessel.
No, why?
About your guy, John.
Excuse me, how do you know his name? I never told you his name.
Keep calm. Which one behind do I know her name? It's why now Europe we did now. We know ourselves now.
Oh God. Really?
Yeah.
What about him?
He has a guy's name. They call him. They may say here. No, you take no Google someone one of universe.
My John.
Yeah.
No, you take no Google someone. The only one in universe. What?
Any on your pie?
A matter with me now.
Of course.
Huh?
Yeah, it's he has women all over Europe. Yeah.
How do you know?
How you the same? How do I know me? I know now. You know, say the moment when you came the last time, you talk about him. You understand me? So
when I investigate about him.
He might investigate. I need to say it. Remember that time when I do home. Cause more sin we do am Europe do I collect go ya when I don't give me home who do I regwe I believe you are one of the friends the girlfriend of in Nigeria of in Nigeria
so do I can I just say when I get what gossip in Europe here we what gossip Lao I don't want to go there. John is my man. I can see you are very jealous. My dear friend, you are jealous because look at me.
Really?
Sasha.
Really?
I travel to Europe once in a year.
Jealous of you.
You know what? I really enjoyed the shopping with you today. But now it's like everything is ruined. Keep your nose out of my business.
I will do that. Thank
you for this lovely afternoon. I don't need this. I got to go.
Really? Just like that? How was your well? So I've told you already, I've said my own, I've done my church mind, so now you know. Where I'm here. Where I go. Bye bye.
Hey, babe, what's up?
Mama! Nabi.
Mama, what is it now?
Yeah, outside.
Okay, when you go water, I need to not bed packet. Mama, that's not look at my. Why you on your colony? Oh, my dog colony. Yeah, what you right? Mama, Mama.
Mama.
Okay. Me tell me what to me now.
Mama, they introduce them and might be your girl.
Sorry, that's my chocolate. My baby boy.
Mama. I hope you're not my your boyfriend winner.
Of course. Sweetie, what's up? Hope you're okay.
Oh, my boyfriend in here, he knew love.
Say,
Mama,
Ross, call.
Before go, make what
This is your name.
Larry. Senior girl. Don't it.
Mama, my problem is what?
Don't it.
Senior girl, I will go to where my dad goes. Senior girl. Customer say well.
Hello, senior girl. Don't it. My friend.
Who said that WhatsApp? Mama, what will you get? Don't worry. I don't know the one
I'm your
so what?
Mommy, I didn't give. What did you say? Rame, okay, I'm my you, okay, I'm my where was you? What tell you? Okay. Mommy, go yes, alone, I check a guess again. When you come on, you say, "Yeah, Rene, I will do David where." He went back with Tom because the canny he messed up last time. Now, last time we go through this time around. Yes, because I'm not here. Olelian, the Walian of Bungu. They say your bike on TV or go to Boyanica and Wagaga, man of Logia. Emata. He may land because the weather was mostly. David, I'm reckon stay with Donny, Mary, your women. If you are a me, say, I know, you can give me my ass. He asked me on Sako Walk, young you was Savivano. You was Sak Baby. Yammy, Yams war. I go many ask me. Yammy, Emata. Mama. Yeah, but it's big girl, we are so well because I mean, yeah, we are so much. Where do you go? Okay. My, you know, I will get some regular. If you are one, you are checking here. Mama, for you, I do what I owe. Okay,
We're going to go there. We're going to go there.
big woman in here. I get you.
Now racket just do like this. I want no go racket. Because me no want go. I bet we do it. Go come. Yeah, me do this more than God now. Ah, but when yeah, come. I will come here. Let's go now. You want to get you spend. Mama, Ali, don't me go kwa. Na you are talk. I will come now. Let's go now. Gather you.
Hey, David in here, boy. Women they do yahoo. Women they do yahoo. That's it. Women they do people like Kuna. Now they cook for us.
What did they talk? This place is someone for the press laptop. Now you call them. I don't start here.
No,
yes, the laptop is happy, man.
What's the matter?
Oh,
Sandra, what is your word at? What is your word at?
Mama,
I'm going to drop you over there.
oh, I'm waiting to send direction. Yeah, we're going to come here. Lover boy. Me Mama Gina. Magu when I am. Because me understand. Who was a young girl here, boy? Who were? We are saying Mama Joe here. I'm here. Why?
Very sorry. But me Mama Gina. Me want to comfortable with her. Even problem with her. I want to give him joy. Above all, if you buy on me, go along Mama Gina. Ime your boy akbe where if you can really need Baba na mione no de Mama Gina. Say I feel people were telling where is people where I didn't Mama Gina. Set you understand.
No problem. So come by the way come away. I go make a man, man. You still come make you understand now you what am I now. I go make a go ye kue.
I see you say calm down. No realize that. Even way that we calm down oh second in I have now. La moto you go if you don't pay we need the go. When you say me make you drop you, okay?